Hello and welcome to this registration tutorial. This is for students who have already applied for Foothill College and are ready to register for their classes. My name is Janie Garcia. I work in the outreach department and I mostly support adult education and adult learner students. If you have any other questions or feel that you need more help with this process, please feel free to contact me. You see here my email address as well as my Google Voice number. I accept both phone calls and texts. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you are going to need is your student ID number, which we also call a campus-wide ID or CWID for short. Let's go ahead and pull up my email to show you how to find your student ID number. This is a welcome to Foothill College email sent to me from admissions after I applied to spring 2020 for Foothill College. If you have not applied yet, you need to go to our website, foothill.edu/reg or foothill.edu/reg and apply. Then, once you have received this email and your student ID, mine is highlighted here, you are able to register for classes. So I went ahead and wrote this 8-digit number down so I can remember it. And now I need to go to the Foothill website. So let me pull up a browser. In any web browser, you can type in our Foothill website, foothill.edu. And this brings you to our main page. At the top, you will find a menu bar, this brown menu bar. You need to go into My Portal. So My Portal is a system for every student at Foothill College, and there are a lot of helpful applications held in this portal, including registration. So in order to log in, I need to enter my campus-wide ID or my student ID. I will do that. This is the 8-digit number I had in the email. And then I need to use a password. So if you are logging in for the first time, again, you will need to enter your CWID or student ID, which is the 8-digit number you received confirmation for from Foothill. And for the first time, your password is your birth date. Let's say my birth date is April 1st, 1995. I need to use 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year. Or in other words, 04011995. Once you have successfully logged in with your birth date, you will need to create your official password or a new password. I do not recommend that you use this password here that I am showing you on the screen. This is just an example. In order to make a strong password for My Portal access, you need to have a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. For example, this is an uppercase M. And again, for example, this is a lowercase p. You also need to include numbers, such as this, and special characters, such as these. Okay, now that I have set up my new password, I am going to enter it in. I hit submit. And now I have successfully logged in to My Portal. On the home screen, we need to select Apps, which stands for Applications. So by clicking that, you open all of these applications that are available to you as a Foothill College student. For our purposes today, we need to select student registration. If you select the star next to an application that you use frequently, it will make it a favorite application, and when you log in here on out, those applications will appear at the top of your page and on your home screen. So I went ahead and made student registration my favorite. It is up to you if you would like to do that. Go ahead and select student registration, the application. You can do it here if you made it a favorite, or you can do it down here as it still stays here. I'm going to click on that. And here is the student registration application. In order to register, we need the course registration number of the class we wish to take. The best way to do that is go to the schedule of classes. There is a schedule of classes located on our main website, but you will find much more information on classes in the searchable schedule of classes found here in the student registration application. Go ahead and select that to open the schedule of classes. We need to search by the appropriate term. For our purposes today, we are using Spring 2020 Foothill College as our example. Once we select the term, we hit Submit to get a list of the programs and departments that we have classes in at Foothill College. Now, this video is specifically for students registering for non-credit ESL. However, if you are watching and would like to register for a different class, you can still use this process. Just be sure you pick the appropriate subject and class you wish to register for. I will scroll through here, as you can see, the subjects to get to non-credit ESL. This is listed alphabetically, so I'm looking for N for non-credit, and here it is. I can select non-credit ESL by clicking once on it and it will highlight. Then I will select Course Search, this button here, to get a list of the classes. So for our purposes today, as an example, I am going to use Level 2. So in order to see what classes are available for Level 2, I will select View Sections. And as I scroll down here, I see that there is one class available because the second one here has been canceled and is not able to be registered for. So for Level 2 for non-credit ESL, this is the one course that is available. The reason I recommend using the schedule of classes in my portal is because it provides more information, such as the days the class meets. This means Monday, Wednesday, and R means Thursday. We use T for Tuesday, R for Thursday. 8 a.m. to 11:05, so it says the time. It says how many seats are in the class, how many seats are still remaining, and if there's a wait list, how many spaces are available. This class does not have an active wait list at the moment because there are still available seats. It also tells you who your instructor is. Now, it is important to note for the days and time that this course was supposed to be in person, but due to sheltering in place, which is effective statewide, Foothill College has made all of their in-person courses virtual. This means instead of meeting face-to-face with your instructor and other students in your class, you will meet virtually over the computer. While your class does still have days and time that it is associated with, it is best that you wait for a detailed email from your instructor, or you're able to email your instructor to ask questions about what the details of the class will be. So let's go ahead and register. By selecting this box here on the left, clicking it once to reveal a check mark, you want to select Register. It has given me a note that this class meets on our Sunnyvale campus. Normally, our non-credit ESL classes do happen in person at our Sunnyvale campus, not the main campus. However, like I said, all of our courses are currently virtual, so you will not be meeting in person until the shelter-in-place order statewide has been lifted. Foothill College will definitely be sure to let any students, all students, know when we are able to go back in person and no longer have virtual classes. So for now, I will hit OK and ignore that message. So as you can see, it says here that I am web registered for the class that I selected. So that wraps up registering for non-credit ESL. If you are registering for another course that is for credit and you have to pay your course fees, you would select here for Pay Now or sign up for a payment plan. If you have any questions or need further help, you could always reach out to me, and here is my contact information again. We wish you all the best of luck with your spring classes. We are always here to help you, so please don't be shy to reach out. And we wish all of you and your families safety and good health during this interesting time. Well, thank you so much for your attention and have a great day.